Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Fleabone token. Ticker symbol is BONE. Now this is a meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain based off a Matt Furie character. Matt Furie is the creator of the Boys Club comic book where all sorts of very popular memes come from, like Pepe, Andy, Landwolf, Brett, etc. So yeah, Fleabone right now is trending number 24 in the Ethereum section on DEX Screener. Very popular token. We're going to go over the information on the Fleabone token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, like I said, is on the Ethereum blockchain ERC20 meme coin. You can find it on Etherscan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. On DEX Tools, you can find all sorts of links. They have a Bubble Maps link, Instagram, YouTube channel, Twitter, Telegram, webpage. Now, this token right now has 791 holders. And their Telegram, if you want to follow that, is at Fleabone_ETH. 160 Telegram subscribers. You could preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter here, where you can see new partnerships, token listings, announcements, memes, at Fleabone_ETH on Twitter as well. Blue verified checkmark, 453 posts, and they have 672 followers, and they just joined Twitter in October 2024. So, their pinned tweet right there has like a full link tree where you could find, the DEX Screener chart, website, Telegram. If you go over to the website too, you could find all the links there. Uniswap link, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, contract address. There's tokenomics, team section, buy section, memes, art, all sorts of stuff all over their webpage here, fleabone.com. Right at the top of the page is the contract address. So if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You would fund your wallet with ETH. Now, you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links down there in the description box. You're welcome to use any one of those. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then you would trade your ETH for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, fleabone.com. Now, you probably will not have to set slippage unless there's taxes. We're going to check to see what the taxes are in a second. And just be aware that there is going to be some gas fees when buying tokens off of a decentralized exchange like Uniswap. So, Fleabone, the dog main character from Matt Furie's long-lost TV cartoon pilot. And so they actually have a video of this cartoon on their webpage that you could check out. It's an embedded YouTube video that's 11 minutes, 7 seconds long, featuring Fleabone. So check that out on the webpage if you want to see the Fleabone cartoon. So it says, in 2015, Matt Furie gathered a group of artists to pitch a new animated show to the networks. It was ultimately rejected, labeled a failure, But does this look like a failure to you? Watch the pilot and let's breathe the life back into this trashy carny world. So it says here, Fleabone, this breakdancing dog, is always down to party. But when it's longing for something more in life, torn between degenning and hanging out with his pal Slippy, or up-leveling his game to win the heart of the bombshell girl, baby girl, he's finding his way in the double-fried universe. But what will happen next? Grab a bag of our tribute tokens so that we can help sponsor the next episode. So Matt Furie's legendary art of Fleabone. In the battle of dogs versus cats, we know where Furie stood. Fleabone has got the main character vibe on lock. Check out the weird and wonderful stills captured from episode 1 of Double Fried. So that's the name of the first episode. So it does say 0% buy and sell taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage. Contract renounced, burned. Total supply 420,690,000,000 tokens. It says 1% of Fleabone is owned by the legend Matt Furie himself. And then it does show you step-by-step how to buy off of Uniswap on their webpage. In case you didn't understand how I explained it, you could just follow the steps there. So Matt Furie's art is undoubtedly the driver of the 2024-2025 meme season, and Fleabone is the newest addition. Our goal is to bring more attention to the pilot, proving that it's not a failure. Maybe we could even see some more episodes if we pump the chart enough. And as a gesture, to support, 1% of Bone was sent to Matt Furie's wallet. The Bone's core team is based, committed, consistent, and trustworthy. A rare find in the meme space. Join us on this quest and stay crispy and bring Fleabone back to the screen near you. So they do daily Twitter spaces on X, so you could check that out. They do X spaces on the reg, it says, so take a peek at that. And yeah, so on Dex Screener here, so there's 9 decimal places on this token. Right now their market cap is $3.3 million for this token. They're up 24.5% today, doing very well. They have here a 24-hour trading volume of $405,000. The liquidity is $168,000, and 100% of that total liquidity in Uniswap is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Token came out 1 month, 2 days ago. And yeah, you can find it on Etherscan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.